Hey guys, it's your boy Aijalon Wallace. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me by now, I make videos about recruitment and staffing. If you're currently looking to start a recruitment agency or staffing agency, you can book a call with me today to check out my program at nomadrecruitersacademy.com. I have a lot of testimonials. I have real names of real people. It's no Lambos, it's no Manches here. Everyone knows my slogan at the end of the day. So I want to help you get your agency started today if you're looking to get started. So listen, one of my number one advices, for you to get your agency off the ground is to specialize in an area where there's high demand but low competition. A lot of people are getting into the recruiting and staffing space. They're not thinking about all the competition out there with the hundreds of thousands and millions of recruiters they have to compete against. So what do I do, AJ? What do I supposed to do? What areas are supposed to look in? Look in areas that are currently growing or that will start to grow in the next 10 to 20 years. With the advancement of AI and ChatGPT, so many niches and jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence and robots. So you have to look into areas where your business has longevity and will still be around. So you're looking in areas such as the cannabis space, cybersecurity, blockchain, AI, solar, and so many other niches as well. Okay. Most importantly, you need to get started. Make sure you're doing the simple things, but sometimes if you don't have the time, you can hire someone on Fiverr to do your website real quick for you if you don't have the time or energy to do it. And also you can learn business development strategies by watching a lot of YouTube videos. I have over 500 videos on my channel that you can watch, but you also can purchase a course from a coach and get guidance and mentorship that guides you while you're trying to get your agency off the ground. What I love so much about recruiting is the money potential at the end of the day. For example, if you place a software engineer to a job and the salary is $100,000 and you charge a 20% fee, you will make $20,000 in less than 30 days. Now, I don't know that many side hustles or businesses out there where you can make that type of money, and how many people like yourself have referred so many friends to job and you never got a paycheck for it. A lot of you people who are watching this channel are recruiters and you don't even know it, but the opportunities are endless. When it comes to getting your business up and running, you need to do your research on having an LLC or S corp, and you can do that proper information for the most part. My strongest advice is that you get with a small local bank because they usually give a lot of small businesses better, rates and opportunities and loans as you're trying to get your agency off the ground and you're trying to scale it. Now, speaking of scaling, in my program, in my course, nomadrecruiters.com, I teach you how to build out your agency by using virtual assistants to help take your business to the next level. But you need to learn how to recruit. I come from a strong recruitment background. I worked for 2 recruitment agencies, and then I started my agency and I still recruit to this day, working on a lot of technology and geospatial roles at the moment. So it's important that you understand the recruiting process and the step-by-step process, because a lot of people just look at the sales part and not actually learning how to qualify candidates, and have good habits while you're trying to build your agency on a daily basis. Are you making the calls? Are you sending the emails? What are the pitches? What is your strategies to do the business development, guys? So we're going to keep making more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, I need you to hit that like button. I need you to subscribe to the channel, support your boy Aijalon Wallace, book a call with me if you're looking to get your agency started, and you can join my free Facebook group as well. I can't wait to see you soon.